Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you beautiful and super easy scrunchies, hair scrunchies, hand scrunchies. You can easily to change the size smaller or bigger. I am using light full two colors for this pattern. You can use any of colors and wool for this pattern. In the written pattern we explain all the sizes. Visit my website, link in the description box. Let us start. Scrunchie I will be making in this video tutorial. So simple and easy. You can easily to change the size smaller or bigger. I am using elastic band for this. I am using a light wool 3 ply and 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. You can use any of wool, DK weight, double knit, medium weight 4 ply or light wool 3 ply. Any of wool you can use for this pattern. I am using a light wool for this pattern. Two colors. Small size I am making. Cut the size of elastic band 6 inches, 2 centimeter extra for sewing. I am using needle for sewing. First, sew and join. Sew and join elastic band each other, edging. This is a small size I am making. Small size you can make it smaller or bigger. 6.5 inches for medium hand and 7 inches for large size. I am making the size small. Make a loop. Start work. Make a single crochet around the elastic band or ribbing. Make a single crochet. Single crochet. Make around the elastic band. Make a single crochet around elastic band, slip stitch in the first single crochet. Single crochet 62, 63 and 64. I have 64 single crochet. Count of 2 stitches and make 64 or 66. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch and 2 chains. We don't count these 2 chains in the same stitch. Make a double crochet, 1 chain, single crochet, post of the double crochet stitch. In the same stitch make 1 double crochet more. In the next stitch make a double crochet, chain 1, post of the double crochet, make 1 single crochet in the same stitch, double crochet and change color. In the next stitch, follow the same work, double crochet, chain 1, post of the double crochet stitch, make a single crochet and 1 double crochet more into the same stitch. And in the next stitch, make a double crochet, chain 1, single crochet, post of the double crochet. In the same stitch, make a double crochet and change color. In the next stitch, make a double crochet, chain 1, post of the double crochet stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, single crochet and double crochet, change color and follow the same pattern as we have done here. In the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, single crochet, post of the double crochet, 1 double crochet more in the same stitch. In the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, single crochet, double crochet, chain 1 and single crochet, post of the same stitch. In the same double crochet in the same stitch, make 1 more double crochet and change color. Now repeat and continue the same work as we have done here. Follow the same pattern around. In the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, in the post of the same double crochet stitch, make 1 single crochet and in the same stitch, make 1 more double crochet. Follow the same work. Two stitches make in 1 stitch. In the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, single crochet, post of the double crochet. In the same stitch, double crochet and change color. Repeat and continue the same work. Repeat and follow the same work around the slip stitch. Follow the same work other side opposite. Okay, double crochet in the last stitch and change color and slip stitch in the double crochet stitch, join and finish one side. Now working in the other side. I have done and completed a scrunchies pattern. You can easily to change the size smaller or bigger. Like and share this video for more videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.